Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can migrate your Pi coins from your Pi network mining app to the Pi Mainnet wallet or just Pi Mainnet. So let's get started. Also, if you guys are interested in other Pi related tutorials, such as how you can buy, sell or trade Pi, you can watch my full Pi network playlist in the upper right corner. And I will also link it at the end of this video. So let's continue. Now, first off, once you log in and open up your Pi app, you would need to go to these three lines right here in the upper left corner and go ahead and click on the Mainnet option. Now, once you're on Mainnet, you will see this screen right here. So here you can see your unverified balance, your transferable balance, and the balance that was already migrated if you previously did this. So let's say that you don't have any migrated balance and that you're completely new to this. So what you would need to do to migrate your Pi to the Mainnet is first, of course, complete the Mainnet checklist right here. So if you click on Mainnet checklist, this is a checklist or a list of tasks that you would need to do before you would be able to migrate your Pi onto the Mainnet. So as you can see, I already did all of these, I think in 2022 if I'm not mistaken, and the whole process is quite simple. You would just need to follow the checklist, and in my experience it all takes about 10 minutes or so. But once you complete all these tasks, the last one would be dependent on the Pi network team. So you can complete the KYC, and from there you would be dependent on the team for them to process your transfer or your Mainnet migration. Now, once your checklist is completed and this last step is orange, you can go back. And as you can see, here we have some unverified balance. So to transfer the unverified balance to the transferable balance, we would need to contact our Pi mining team. So this is essentially just the balance that we mined with the help of the people that you referred, or our mining team. So as you can see in this note right here, your team would need to complete the Mainnet checklist as you did before, and of course complete the KYC. Now, once they complete the KYC, this unverified balance will be transferred over to the transferable balance. But just be careful, because if I click convert right here you can see the timer, aka the time that your Pi team has left for them to complete the Mainnet checklist. Now, if they don't complete the KYC by the time that the grace period is over, so once this timer runs out, you will lose your unverified balance right here. So just be sure to contact those people and tell them to complete their KYC. Now, from there, once you completed your Mainnet checklist, this transferable balance right here will be transferred over once the second Mainnet transfer occurs. So the first one occurred in 2022 if I'm not mistaken, or a bit sooner than that, and the second one is still pending. Hence the timer that I showed you before. So once the timer expires, the second Mainnet migration should occur. So as you can see here, the Mainnet transfer will be happening automatically based on the lockup settings when the Mainnet migration occurs. So what are the lockup settings? It's just this option right here that says configure your lockup rate. I have it set to these settings right here. So you can just copy this if you want. I set 2 weeks because it's the fastest one. So once you have all that configured, you can just wait for your transferable balance to be transferred over to the Mainnet automatically. And that's, guys, how you can migrate to the Pi network Mainnet and get your Pi to your wallet, and